there, it's Maria here with you again, and welcome to another product close-up video. This is the new 6x9 stencil by Trinity Stamps called Pumpkin Heads. It has two sizes of pumpkins, and you can layer the colors using the stencil with the stems and 8 jack-o'-lantern faces. So this is how I colored mine. I used the stencil on some Bristol Smooth white cardstock, and the first layer I used fossilized amber, and then I layered that with the carved pumpkin and ripe persimmon. This stencil is really nice because it makes it look more 3D with all the layers that you can do using the stencil. And the easiest way to get on those crevices is to use some small sponge daubers. For the pumpkin stems, I use gathered twigs and walnut stain, and for the jack-o'-lantern face, I use black soot. So this is a really cute pumpkin stencil, and you don't have to use the jack-o'-lantern faces if it's not meant for Halloween. You can also use this for your fall projects. And it's just so easy to create these wonderful pumpkins to use for your projects. So here is a look at the card that I created using the stencil. I cut them out using my brother's scan and cut machine 3 times, and then used the stencil from my collection for the background. And the bats were from the Flyby stamp set, also released this month. So thank you again for joining me today with this product close-up video. Don't forget to subscribe to Trinity's YouTube channel and check out the new release. Thank you for stopping by, and happy crafting!